Hello everybody. Today we are going to make grilled cheese sandwiches. These are easy to make, so you can make it, you can eat it, and you can clean it up. Make it, eat it, clean it up. Okay, it's very easy to make a grilled cheese sandwich. We're going to take bread. Oh, did you wash your hands? I washed my hands. So wash your hands first. Once you've washed your hands, you take bread, 2 pieces of bread. I'm going to use margarine. You can use butter or margarine, okay? And you're going to put your margarine or your butter on your bread. Spread the margarine on your bread. Spread the margarine on your bread.
Okay, 1, 2. You can use a lot. It's okay. Okay?
Margarine on my bread. Now we're going to use cheese. You can use sliced cheese, but I'm going to use shredded cheese. Okay? I'm going to turn on my stove. Be careful. Turn on medium heat. Put 1 piece of bread with the margarine side down in your pan and put on some cheese. I like cheese, so I'm going to put a lot of cheese. And then take your bread, this is the margarine side, the butter side, on top and put it there. Okay? Let's let it cook. Now, while it's cooking, we're going to do one more sandwich. This is a simple grilled cheese sandwich. Now we're going to do a chicken, tomato, and cheese sandwich. Wow. Okay, same thing. Put butter on your bread.
Okay, just like that. Now I'm going to put my butter together like that.
Okay. I have spicy mustard. Spicy mustard.
Spicy mustard.
I have chicken. Chicken.
1, 2, 3.
I have tomatoes. I have tomatoes.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. And for this sandwich, I'm going to use my sliced cheese. Sliced cheese.
Okay.
Now, let's check our other sandwich. Okay, let's turn over our sandwich. Be careful. 1, 2, 3, turn. Ooh. That looks so good. That looks so good. Cook. Okay, it's done. It's done. Let's take it off. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh, a grilled cheese sandwich. I love a grilled cheese sandwich. I'm going to put that there, and I'm going to put my other sandwich on. This is my chicken and tomato and cheese sandwich. Okay, we'll let that cook. Now, for your grilled cheese sandwich, take a knife, be careful, and let's cut it. Okay. Can you see all the cheese? Oh, I love cheese. Do you like cheese? I hope so. I love cheese. Okay, our chicken cheese sandwich is done. We'll take that off. Okay, turn off. Turn off.
Let's take, ooh, it's hot. Let's cut.
Okay. Doesn't that look good? A hot chicken sandwich? Or our cheesy grilled cheese sandwich? Oh, that looks good. So remember, you can make it, you can eat it, and you can clean it up. Have a nice weekend. Have fun. Send us a picture of your sandwich. You can use chicken, ham, roast beef, vegetables, anything you like. Okay, everybody. Have a nice weekend. See you next time.